Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important topics for the preparation of entrance exam for MPH, that is Master of Public Health, and MHA, that is Master of Hospital Administration for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Puducherry, CMC Vellore, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Pune University, Lucknow University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, and for all other university and institutes which conduct Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, and other competitive exams. And students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, MPH, MHA, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions, PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here topics are given, important topics for the preparation of Master of Public Health and Master of Hospital Administration entrance exams. So first is PSC. PSC, that is primary health care, is for a population of PSC, that is primary health care is for a population of 30,000 in plains. So in plains areas, PSC, that is primary health care, is for a population of 30,000. Next is International Conference at Alma Ata 1978 gave concept of International Conference at Alma Ata 1978 gave concept of, answer is primary health care. So International Conference at Alma Ata, that is took place in 1978, it gave concept of primary health care. Next is SDGs have to be achieved by SDG, that is Sustainable Development Goals. SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, have to be achieved by, answer is 2030. So Sustainable Development Goals have to be achieved by 2030. SDG, that is Sustainable Development Goals. So its explanation is Sustainable Development Goals, that is SDG, aims to transfer our world. They are a call to a action to end poverty and inequality, protect the planet and ensure that all people enjoy health, justice and prosperity. It is critical that no one is left behind. So SDG, that is Sustainable Development Goals, have to be achieved by 2030. Next is MPW, that is full form is Medical Pathological Waste. MPW is located at, correct answer is sub-center level. So MPW, that is Medical Pathological Waste, is located at sub-center level. Its explanation is MPW, that is Medical Pathological Waste, includes any waste with actual or perceived presence of infectious or pathogenic agents. So MPV, that is Medical Pathological Waste, it includes any waste with actual or perceived presence of infectious or pathogenic agents. So MPW is located at sub-center level. Next is number of PSCs in India. Number of PSC, that is primary health care in India, correct answer is more than 25,000. So more than 25,000 primary health cares in India. Next is one urban PSC is for population. One urban PSC, that is primary health care, is for population. Answer is 50,000. So one urban PSC, that is primary health care, is for population 50,000. One PSC in tribal area for a population of 20,000. So one PSC, that is primary health care, in tribal area for a population of 20,000. Next is KIT B is kept at sub-centers. So KIT B is kept at sub-centers. Next is hospice is for hospice is for old and terminally ill patients. Hospice is for old and terminally ill patients. Hospice, its explanation is hospice, that is a facility or program designed to provide palliative care and emotional support to the terminally ill in a home or home-like setting, so that quality of life is maintained and family members may be active participants in care. So hospice is for old and terminally ill patients. Next is minimum number of beds at CHC. So minimum number of beds at CHC, that is community health center, is 30 beds. Minimum number of beds at CHC is 30 beds. Next is a sub center is backward area is 4. A sub center in backward area is 4. Answer is 3000 population. So a sub center in backward area is for 3000 population. Next is population covered by PSC, that is primary health care in tribal areas. Population covered by PSC, that is primary health care in tribal area, 20,000. First referral level is answer is secondary level of care. Next is ASA is located or posted at correct answer is village level. Next is ASA population norm. ASA population norm, answer is 2 per 1000 population. Next is female MPW is per dash population. Female MPW is per dash population, answer is 5000 population. Next is total population covered by CHC, that is community health center, is answer is 80,000 to 1,20,000. Total population covered by community health center, that is CHC, is 80,000 to 1,20,000. One health assistant male or female posted for dash population, answer is 30,000 population. One health assistant male or female posted for 30,000 population. Next is a sub center is manned by answer is multi-purpose worker. So a sub center is manned by multi-purpose worker. Next is suggested norm for nurses in Indian population. Suggested norm for nurses in Indian population, answer is 3 nurses per doctor. So suggested norm for nurses in Indian population, 3 nurses per doctor. Next is how many beds are there in PSC primary health care for indoor patients. How many beds are there in PSC for indoor patients? Answer is 4 to 6. Next is community health center covers a population of answer is 80,000 to 1,20,000. Next is minimum number of beds in community health center. Minimum number of beds in community health center, answer is 30 beds. Next is one village health guide is for population of answer is 1,000. Next is vaccine can be stored at sub center for answer is 1 day. So vaccine can be stored at sub center for 1 day. Next is village health guide scheme is introduced in answer is 1980. Next is in India under norms doctor population ratio is answer is 1 doctor per 1000 population. So in India under norms doctor population ratio is 1 doctor per 1000 population. Next is in hilly area primary health care caters population of that is PSC caters population of answer is 20,000. A trained dye caters up for a population of answer is 1,000. So a trained dye caters a population of 1,000. Next is first referral level in healthcare system in India is answer is secondary level. Next is population norms for community health center in difficult area is answer is 80,000. Next is one village health guide is for population of answer is 1,000. One village health guide is for population of 1,000. Next is population covered by primary health center is answer is 30,000. So 30,000 population is covered by primary health center. Next is multipurpose worker covers a population of planes. 5,000. So multipurpose workers cover a population of 5,000 in planes. Next is number of beds recommended for community health center, that is CHC 30. So number of beds recommended for CHC is 30. Next point, community health centers provide desk care. So community health center provide secondary health care. Next point, training period for Anganwadi worker. Training period for Anganwadi worker 4 months. So 4 months of training period is required for Anganwadi worker. Next point is Board Committee 1946 recommended. Board Committee 1946 recommended 3 million plan and social physicians. So Board Committee in 1946 recommended 3 million plan and social physicians. Next point, multi-purpose worker introduced by answer is Kartar Singh Committee. Next point is Board Committee was established in answer is 1943. Next point, 3 division of planning commission, answer is general secretariat, technical divisions, program advisors. So 3 divisions of planning commission, general secretariat, technical divisions, program advisors. Next is Rome scheme recommended by answer is Srivastava Committee. Next point, rural health scheme was recommended by answer is Srivastava Committee. Next point, ultimate aim in health program is answer is to attain the goal of health. Next point, concept of multi-purpose worker was given by answer is Kartar Singh Committee. So concept of multi-purpose worker was given by Kartar Singh Committee. Next point, health survey and development committee is given by answer is Sir Joseph Bore. Next point, 3-month training of doctors in PSM suggested by answer is Bore Committee. Next point, PSC was introduced as a result of report by answer is Bore Committee. Next point, democratic decentralization was recommended by answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee 1957. Next point, 3-tier Panchayati Raj system was proposed by answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee 1957. Next is ultimate desired state of a health program. Answer is goal. Next point, inventory or materials means answer is stock on hand at any time. So inventory of materials means stock on hand at any time. Next is longest path in network analysis, PERT. Answer is critical path. So longest part in network analysis, PERT, critical part. Next is PERT technique is used in answer is network analysis. Next point, economic benefit of program is evaluated in terms of money by answer is cost benefit analysis. So economic benefits of program is evaluated in terms of money by cost benefit analysis. Next point, PERT part is a component of answer is network analysis. So in this video, information regarding very important topics for very important topics for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA has been discussed for various university and institutes like CUT, PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, CMC Vellore, Lucknow University, Pune University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and important jobs and notification. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.